Ravioli al uovo is one of those show-stopping dishes that looks amazing and tastes delicious. It's got a ricotta filling, a runny egg, and is topped with a butter and sage sauce. Seriously, it's so good and it's super impressive looking. Start by rolling out your pasta dough into a sheet. I like to use an all-egg yolk dough for this because it has a really rich flavor, and you can find a tutorial for that in one of my other videos. For the filling, I mix together ricotta and grated Parmesan at a ratio of about 3/4 ricotta to 1/4 Parmesan. I added a little bit of salt, pepper, and chopped up basil as well and blended it all together. Pipe your filling in a circle in the middle of the dough and then add in 1 whole egg yolk. I usually then brush around the filling with a little bit of water so the ravioli will all stay together when it's cooked. Then cover your filling with another layer of dough and either cut out a square shape or use a cookie cutter to make a circle shape for your ravioli. Cook the ravioli in salted boiling water just for a couple minutes. You need to keep it in long enough to cook the dough and the egg, but you want to make sure the yolk stays runny, so you don't want to keep it in too long. Then you want to finish your ravioli with a very simple butter and sage sauce. All you do is heat up some butter in a skillet until it starts to bubble, then at the very end add some sage leaves. You don't want to add the sage leaves too early or else they'll burn when you're cooking the butter. Then when you cut open your ravioli, you should have a beautiful eggy buttery dish. These are pretty filling, so I usually only serve 1 or 2 on a plate at a time. If you want to see more fresh pasta tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.